Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Squid Kid from 99 Nights in the Forest. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing a curve across. And then let's bring it down on each side, like this. Now let's hop up and let's draw a longer curve on top. And 2 more curves down. Now at the bottom, we're going to bring it out on each side. And then close it off with a V-shaped point. And that's it for the bottom part of the hat. Next we're going to hop in and let's draw a curve across for the chin. Now let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start with 2 small ovals for the eyes. And color them both in black. And then underneath, let's draw a curve across for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop back out and let's finish drawing the hat. On top, let's draw 2 curves up and in. And then let's curve it out and back in on top. Now let's draw another small curve up on each side. And then let's bring it up, meeting at a point. Now we're going to hop inside and let's draw the eyes by drawing 2 ovals. And a circle inside at the top. And color the bottom sections in black. Next for the hat, let's hop down to the sides and let's draw 2 wavy lines down on the left and 2 on the right side. Then let's bring it out at the ends. And a V-shaped point underneath. Now let's hop back up and let's draw a curve out. And curve it back around and in. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start by drawing a line down on each side for the sides of the torso. And a line across at the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw some details to the shirt. At the top, let's draw a V-shaped point down. Angle it down from the bottom. And bring it back up. Now in the center, we're going to draw 2 lines down to add a stripe. And then let's add some circles inside. Now top out and let's draw one more stripe on each side. Let's draw a line down and then continue it below the hat. And then one more line down on each side for the other side of the stripe. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. On each side, near the top, and let's draw a line out for the tops of the arms. Then let's bring it down. And back in at the bottom. Now inside each arm, let's draw a line across at the top for the sleeves, and let's continue it behind the hat. And then let's add some vertical stripes inside. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start with 2 long lines down. And a line across at the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw a line down in the center. And then for the bottom of the pants, let's draw a line across. Now let's hop in, and at the top corners, let's draw a line down and bring it out for the pockets. Now let's add another pocket underneath by drawing a line in. And then bring it down and out. And add one more line across inside at the top. And that's it for the pants. Lastly, at the bottom, let's draw another line across for the soles of the shoes. And that's it for the Squid Kid. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!